Fistful of Thrills, what is up? This is Gavin, and I am here at the Icebreaker Media Preview Day. And honestly, I am just so happy to be here. This is an awesome experience to finally be at my first media day. We are going to be riding Icebreaker. We're going to get a POV, and also we're going to get a lot of different shots and explore what else they have to offer today. So let's go check it all out, shall we? And here we go. Icebreaker time. All right, so I am here with Jackie, and we go follow her, super enthused, and we are about to go ride Icebreaker for Media Day. This is gonna be awesome. About to hop on Icebreaker for Media Preview. Scott, you ready?
Dude, I'm pumped. Let's go.
How about you, Jackie? You ready for this?
I'm gonna break the ice. I got my ice hat.
Let's break the ice on Icebreaker. Let's do it. So before we get on, I just want to mention a couple things about Icebreaker. Icebreaker is a Premier Rides multi-launch coaster. It is a swing launch. It has 4 launches. It goes backwards twice, and it goes forwards twice. It's got a top hat and lots of airtime. So I am super excited to do this. Let's do it! Phenomenal airtime right there. That was phenomenal.
That was really nice.
So what'd you think?
I liked it. I was flying out of my seat so much.
I know, especially there's this one hill right before the top hat,
Yeah.
and that gives you such good ejector airtime. Honestly,
Ejected right out of there.
yeah, highly recommend it. So come break the ice here at SeaWorld Orlando with Icebreaker.
What he said. Really fun.
We just got off Icebreaker here. Jackie, what did you think?
I loved it. It was so fun. I was flying out of my seat. A lot of airtime. Really, really good.
Oh yeah, the airtime on this thing is phenomenal. Especially, I know I mentioned it in the POV right there. Yeah, there it is. This one hill right before the top hat,
Okay,
phenomenal
have a good
airtime.
ride.
Featured today is one of their cocktails, the Icebreaker. And you can see everything that is in it here. So I would actually say this Icebreaker drink is pretty good. Solid cocktail. The only thing is it may not be available because this is, as of now, an exclusive for the media event. But if it becomes available after the media event, I would highly recommend this. So something cool too is you can get the Icebreaker drink in these Icebreaker color changing cups. They change color based on the temperature of the drink, which is pretty cool in my opinion. Ooh. There we go. You all ready for this?
Oh, yeah.
All right, about to get one last back row ride.
It's my second time.
It's my
I love
12th or 13th actually. Yeah,
you ride
it's
again?
amazing. So
Yeah.
what'd you think?
It was good. Front
Front
row
row's great.
Yeah.
Have you done back yet?
Not yet.
All right, yeah.
Gotta do back row.
You got to get back with us.
Yeah.
All right, we are here on Icebreaker right now. Back
Doing it
row
all.
ride. Let's see how it is in the back.
Oh yeah, very back.
Oh, I know it's good, but here
Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Oh god. Oh shit. Okay. Oh jeez. I love that. Whoa. Oh, Jesus. Woo! my god.
Oh yes! Yeah!
What even is this?
Oh
So much fun with a full train.
I know!
Oh, Jesus!
Holy! That was legit! Scott, so what did you think of that in the back row?
Okay, so yeah, like back row full train, that was money. That was so much more intense. The airtime was radical, dude. Like out of your seat, into the collars. Ow, I'm kind of sore now.
I was out of my
But that
seat
was
for probably a
awesome.
solid 5
Dude,
seconds.
that was so
without
good. It's like
being
an airtime machine.
sustained airtime, just slow pops.
Oh yeah,
Amazing.
absolutely awesome.
Ah,
So good.
You gotta love it. All right, last ride of media day here in one of the back rows of Icebreaker. Let's do this.
Do one of these here. Oh god, we're about to fly.
Oh yes, we are.
Because I love how deceiving it is, because that hill like doesn't do much right there, but
Oh,
then when
it
you get
doesn't.
full speed, it just cranks you out of the seat. Oh, this.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, that airtime is
Sick.
violent. So good.
So sick.
Shoulders are digging me.
Oh
It's
my
amazing.
god.
Like just
So good.
like you can't do this on Tiger. It's just like
You just get launched.
You really
Launched
do.
on
go
this
like
thing.
that, and
Oh
it's
my.
like unlimited yeet. Like
So
on the
good.
side.
The airtime is so violent,
Yeah.
which is why it's amazing.
It's just like it's a bucking Bronco.
That's honestly what it feels like. And that was Media Day here at Icebreaker. I got first ride of Media Day and last ride of Media Day on Icebreaker, and yeah, this ride just got better and better with every ride. As the ride warmed up, it got even more intense. The ejector airtime, phenomenal. This spike right here, 100 degrees, phenomenal as well. Top hat delivered in every way possible. And I just have to say, yeah, I highly recommend coming to break the ice here at SeaWorld Orlando on Icebreaker.